Earlier we have created a Spring Boot project using Gradle project, right? Now we are going to create using Maven. So what we will do again, open the Visual Studio Code and Command Shift P, Spring Initializer, or we can do search with Maven. That will be easy. Spring, see if you see Spring Initializer, create a Maven project, the last one. Okay, I'm selecting that one. Version I'm selecting 3.5.11 Java, and com.example I will do Satish. It's not needed, but we can do anything. But now this is the project. I'm adding M in front of it. M and hospital management. UNGMENT hospital management. Okay, it is created. I'm selecting the jar and selecting the version 21, and I'm doing the web socket. And if you do Spring Web, yeah, select the Spring Web. Okay, select one dependency and generate this project into documents. Under documents, just see documents, we have GitHub projects, right? And in this one I'm creating this project. Okay, it will be created, and I'm opening this project. Okay, it is created the hospital management project. If you go to source and main, under Java it is created the file Spring main method, it is created. And if you run this one, and if you see this pom.xml, I have selected the Spring Web in the section, right? Now it will see, you can see that Spring Web, spring spring boot starter, spring boot, spring framework, right? This is the jar. By default, if you select the Spring Boot Web, it will add this one, Spring Boot starter jar, it will add. Let's say if you want to add one more jar, this is for the web related, right? Let me first let me see whether it is running or not. Go to the main method once and see that there is a button run. Okay, let's see if the application is running and up and running. Okay, go to the Chrome browser. See here it is saying up, sorry, just a minute. It is saying initializing Spring Boot started hospital management. Tomcat server is started with 8080 port. Okay, let me go to the local host 8080. It will give the white label error. It should give white label error. Okay, even this one is not there, yesterday's one. So, localhost 8080. So even with Maven we are able to create a Spring Boot project. Maven or Gradle, anything is okay, but only thing is that there we will have pom.xml in the Maven project, and we will have a build.gradle in Gradle project. So, and if I want see with the Maven, there is an advantage that if we wanted to add one more jar, right, it will be very easy. Again, and let's say see now see how many jars dependencies it added. Spring Boot starter, web test, and Spring Boot Maven plugin, right? Now I want to add JPA repository, where JPA repository is for database connection. So Command Shift P and initialize create add starters. We need to add a Spring Initializer, add starters. For Gradle it will not support that much easily, but here we can select it easily. The JPA Spring Data JPA. So I'm selecting this library. Now it is two dependencies selected, and it is asking adding Spring Data JPA proceed or not. Okay, proceed. Now if you see in the um, pom.xml, you will see that as well. See Spring Boot starter data JPA. So this is at the database, database layer also, JPA library, Java persistent API. Okay, a build was made. Do you want to synchronize the Java class path configuration? Yes. So like now you know, right, like how to create a project in this one.